going on? Brian Tong here, and you know what? I had to hit you with this one. Did we just see the iPhone 12 design just get confirmed? Because Max Weinbach and Everything Apple Pro have released what they claim is the first look at the unreleased iPhone 12 Pro Max based on leaked CAD designs. And they're pretty much on the money with everything we've heard and are expecting, but you know, it's one thing to hear about it and then another thing to actually see it like this. Now, the new iPhone looks to share the same design language as the current iPad Pro, which I love. I know there's a bunch of you that want to have the two, you know, matchy match, and it's a throwback to the iPhone 5 with a squared edge stainless steel frame sandwiched between two panels of glass. So the rounded edges of the iPhone 11 Pro, they're gone. Now, the new Pro Max will bring a larger 6.7-inch OLED display. The CAD designs also reveal a wider and taller design with even smaller bezels that have been cut down to 1.55 millimeters compared to the 2.52 millimeters from the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm sorry, but I'm already drooling. Now, you can go check out the video on Everything Apple Pro's YouTube page, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max is also believed to be thinner at 7.4 millimeters compared to the 8.1 millimeters of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, Apple, they're taking a departure from last year's model that was just slightly thicker but was praised for its great battery life for an iPhone. The camera bump, that will also be slightly thicker at 1.26 millimeters compared to the 1.21 of the 11 Pro, but the actual camera lenses, they won't stick out as much. Now, we don't expect an optical 10x zoom like Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra on this phone. It's just not possible, but could we get something, you know, maybe between 3x to 5x? Early rumors pointed to a smaller notch design, but that's not the case here, as the notch is the same size as the current 2019 iPhone family. Now, Max Weinbach said the details weren't finalized when the CAD was made, and it was maybe about 70% complete at the time, so a smaller notch could still happen. Front page text John Prosser has also confirmed that these are the real deal CAD designs as well. All right, other details from the video line up from earlier leaks with 4 sensors on the back, with one of them being the LiDAR sensor found in the iPad Pro for augmented reality. The lenses will have a slightly increased diameter, and there will be thicker antenna lines on the side of the new iPhone 12 Pro for 5G support. There's a smart connector-like input where the SIM card used to be. And you know, if that's the case, could the new iPhone 12 Pro Max support its own Apple Pencil? Because we've heard the rumors, but this would be the perfect opportunity for them to do this, because in 2020, we finally saw the Magic Keyboard with a trackpad. It's something that we didn't think Apple would actually do, and now they did. So bringing in an Apple Pencil to the iPhone, it isn't out of the question. It would differentiate the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and there have been Apple Pencil rumblings for a while. Even recently granted patents have specifically called out the use of an Apple Pencil on an iPhone. Like, the drawings are there. Now, Everything Apple Pro and Max Weinbach also reveal that there's one less right side speaker grill, but the speakers will be 10 to 15% louder. And we've seen this trend across the board with Apple's MacBook line, where they've improved the audio quality and speaker volume level, and they're looking to do the same for this new iPhone. So maybe the new iPhone also gets an improved microphone system for content creation, like the new iPad Pro, the recent MacBook Air, and the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Also, the power button is slightly lower on the device, and potential new colors could be that navy blue that caused a buzz and was leaked earlier, plus a potential for violet and light orange. Now, all the credit here goes to Max Weinbach and Philip for the best leaked design details that we have seen so far for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Definitely just take some time to go watch their entire video for yourselves, because that's where we're getting all this info, and they deserve all the credit. Now, let's keep on moving. In a quick iPhone SE update, obviously I pre-ordered the product red model that I like to call the iPhone SE Bread, because that's a shout out for all my sneakerheads out there. But I'll be doing my own review when it gets here. But if you pre-order right now, the shipping date has already slipped from its original April 24th date and will now ship between May 4th and the 11th here in the US. All right, that's going to do it here. Give me that thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell, ding, to get all my videos when they drop. And some of you have been asking me, why are my videos so Apple heavy right now? Well, that's because there's a ton of Apple news, but keep a lookout because I got some other things cooking, videos in the next week in case you need a breather from all that Apple. But If you want more of that Apple goodness, you've got to check out my Apple Bits XL audio podcast, where I just go even deeper with these stories and more with special guests. Plus, all my work is independent, and I'd love your support at patreon.com/Brian Tong. It starts at $2 a month and supports the audio podcast with exclusive bonuses and early access for all of my content. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Keep safe. See you.